So, once again, welcome, and we are progressing, and I hope you are learning. If any question about previous topics, just leave it in the comment section, or and we will get to solve your issues. This section, we are going to be talking about comparing fractions, and this will be a very short topic. So let's get into it. For comparing two or more multiple fractions, we have two cases. And the two cases are still when we have same denominators and when we have different denominators for the fractions. And for our first case, it will be having same denominators, right? So denominators are same. And in this case of where we have same denominators, what we do is we just compare the numerators. So the larger numerator will be the larger fraction, and the smallest numerator will be smallest fraction. So for example, if I have a 1 over 5 and 3 over 5, since we have same denominator, I can compare them. 1 over 5 is less than 3 over 5. If I have 8 over 25 and 6 over 25, I can still compare them because this is 5, is not 6, it's 5. Because we still have same denominator, 25, 25. I can compare them. 8 is greater than 6. So that means first fraction is greater than the second fraction. And for the second case, is when we have different denominators, right? Different denominators. And whenever we have a different denominator, what we do first is use the LCD to compare these fractions. So first we have to find the LCD of each fraction, and from then rewrite the fraction. And then so once we have the LCD, that means we have the same denominator for each fraction, and we just go ahead and compare the numerators. So let's do an example comparing 2 and 1/3 and 2 over 5. So here we have three fractions. So we can just rewrite our 2 as 2 over 1, right? And our 1/3 and our 2 over 5. Here, how do we find the LCD? We already saw that. And applying that, we will have LCD equal 15. How do we find 15? We do the LCM of our three numbers, 1, 3, 5, and it is the same as 15, so that's 15. And we will rewrite our equations, our fractions, and they will be 2 over 1 will become 30 over 15, 1 over 3 will become 5 over 15, and 2 over 5 will become 6 over 15. And now we can just compare the one with the same denominator. So we write it. And how do we compare it? Let's say the question is to rewrite them from the smallest to the greatest. So in this case, which one is the smallest? That's a 5 over 15, and is smaller than 6 over 15, and is smaller than 30 over 15. And having that, we can automatically see that is the same thing as saying 1/3 is less than which one? 2 over 5, and is less than 2. So we keep this one as our final answer. So as said before, this one is a very short section. And but before you go, try to solving this. The question will be: arrange the following numbers from smallest to largest. From smallest to largest, right? So that means comparing them and putting the sign in between them. And let's do it for third and 5 over 8, and let's add 3 over 7. So you will compare these three numbers and then rewrite them from smallest to largest. So try it, and if you want, you put your result in the comments. And if you can't do it, say where you have an issue, and we will try to resolve it together. But this is a good point to stop, and I will see you for the next topic. All right, bye.